Hi, I'm John.
And I'm Joe, and we're here with sandblastingmachines.com. And in this video, we're going to show you some optional accessories you could include in your blast machine assembly. So we have the moisture separator, as well as the exhaust muffler.
That's right, Joe. And again, these are optional accessories, but we're choosing to put them on because on the inlet side, we definitely need something there to remove the moisture that could be built up, any kind of condensation building up when the air is being introduced to the pot. And then on the exhaust side, we want to quiet down when the air is being released from the pot. We could reduce the noise coming out, so we'll install that exhaust muffler on there.
All right, great. Let's get started.
Let's go to the moisture separator. Where did we put that?
There it is.
Again, this has an inside and an outside. We're going to go in is the way our air is going to flow in. So again, it has an arrow facing in towards the pot and towards our piping.
And what is the essential function of the moisture separator? How important is it to have this, and when wouldn't you necessarily need it?
They're pretty important to have if you're working in a high humidity type environment, and it doesn't necessarily have to be humidity in the environment. The heat from an air compressor naturally is going to generate heat, and it can create condensation. Condensation will push right through your air hose, and if you don't have this on, it's going to push it right into your blast pot. Oh. And as we know, water and sand don't really like to mix. It's going to gum things up.
Any type of media, I can imagine, wouldn't play well with water.
Right. So that's the purpose of this, and we highly recommend that you use them. And
how do you clean it? Is there a filter in there, or?
Yeah, this is a filter system. As the air is passing through, it'll hit a filter inside, and this is the reservoir that'll collect the water. We recommend every time you go refill your machine or every other bag on a machine this size, you should take a look at your moisture separator and make sure there's no water in there, because if you don't take it out, eventually if it fills up, it's just going to push it through. Right. To get it out, there's just a little valve on the bottom. You just crack her open, and that'll allow the water to drop out the bottom. Just let gravity do its thing.
Easy enough.
So we'll snug that back up so we're ready to blast when we're all set. And one of the last parts we're going to put on, this is one of our optional accessories. It's the blast machine muffler. That's going to screw right into the top of our 1/2-inch diaphragm outlet valve. Again, we removed the pipe nipple that came with the valve because the muffler already has one.
Right.
And this is just going to quiet things down a bit as the machine exhausts.
Okay.
And then we can get our pipe wrench and snug it up. And that should do it. And you'll see it does float. Right. When the machine exhausts, it'll fire up and quiet things down for us.
There you go. All right, so thanks for watching another video in our tutorial series on how to assemble a blast machine. And make sure to stay tuned on the sandblastingmachines.com YouTube channel for more videos pertaining to sandblasting, tutorials, and basically anything industry related. And for Sandblasting Machines, I'm Joe.
And I'm John.
And take care, guys.